Welcome to NeoEnglish, the podcast that helps you learn practical English quickly. Today, we're talking about an important news story. Top CFPB officials resign. It sounds serious, but don't worry, we'll explain it step by step in simple English.
Yes, this news is about two people who resigned from their jobs at the CFPB. Now, resign means to leave a job on your own. For example, if someone gets a better job offer, they might resign. Or if a person is unhappy with their work, they might resign.
That's right. So, in this story, two officials, Halperin and Lorelei Salas, both resigned from their positions. They worked at the CFPB, which stands for the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. This is a government agency that helps protect people from unfair financial practices.
Now, let's break that down. Consumer means a person who buys goods or services. If you buy a phone, you're a consumer. If you pay for a haircut, you're also a consumer. And protection means keeping someone safe. So, the CFPB works to keep consumers safe from unfair treatment in banks, loans, and credit cards.
Exactly. But not everyone supports the CFPB. Republicans, a major political party in the U.S., have often criticized this agency. Criticized means they said bad things about it or disagreed with how it works. For example, if someone says, "This restaurant has slow service," they are criticizing the restaurant. Or if a teacher says, "Your handwriting is too messy," they are criticizing your handwriting.
That's a helpful word to know. Now, the CFPB was created in 2010 as part of a big financial law called the Dodd-Frank Act. Landmark means something very important in history. For example, the invention of the internet was a landmark moment, and the first moon landing was a landmark event in space travel.
Good examples. So this law was made after the 2008 financial crisis to prevent banks from making risky decisions that could hurt consumers. But some people believe the CFPB has too much power and is not accountable. Accountable means responsible for something. For example, if you borrow a book from the library, you are accountable for returning it. Or if you lead a project at work, you are accountable for the results.
That's right. So, to recap, today we learned.
That's a great list. We covered a lot today, but don't worry, learning English takes time and practice. Thank you for joining us on NeoEnglish.
Yes. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to talk about news like this with confidence. Have a great day.